In this video, what I'm going to explain is how to write the neutralization reaction when you have an acid and a base. So remember, an acid starts with hydrogen, while a base starts with, for the most part, with hydroxide. So if I were to give you, for example, I'm just going to make this up on the spot, if I were to give you barium hydroxide, and this is your base, and I'm going to tell you that it reacts with, let's say, sulfuric acid. Okay. So what I'm going to do first is I need to write the formula for these guys. So barium, I'm going to just do this off to the side. If you can do this in your head, awesome. Barium has a 2+ charge. Hydroxide has a -1 charge. So the formula for this is going to be barium hydroxide, because I crossed my charges, plus, okay, sulfuric acid, that is from sulfate. Sulfate is SO4 2-. So I have hydrogen, which has a +1 charge, and sulfate, which has a 2- charge. So the formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay? And looking at this, this is a double replacement reaction. So barium is going to form a new compound with sulfate, and hydrogen is going to form a new compound with hydroxide. So if I combine barium, which has a 2+ charge, and sulfate, which has a 2- charge, that gives me just BaSO4, because the 2's cancel out. Plus, well, I've got hydrogen, which has a +1 charge, and hydroxide, which has a -1 charge. So this is going to be HOH. Now we don't write it like this. Instead, we recognize that there are 2 hydrogens right there. So this is just H2O. And so we write this is just H2O. And the very last thing that we need to do here is simply balance. Well, I've got 2 hydrogens here. I've got 2 hydrogens there, so it's a total of 4. So I'm going to put a 2 right here, which means I have 2 oxygens here, but I've got 2 oxygens there, so I'm good. 1 barium, 1 barium, 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate, and I'm balanced. So this is what we call a neutralization reaction. It is actually just a double replacement reaction, but what's being formed here, you can see that is water, and then just a salt. Remember, a salt is just any ionic compound. And that's it.